Hello and welcome, my name is Mr. QB. In this episode, we'll be building something that's been a popular request from people in the comments for some while, an elevator. And at last, I finally have a design that I'm happy to show. But before we get into it, here's how it works. Here's a demo version of the elevator here. Very clean and simple, and definitely easy to use. All you want to do is tuck yourself nicely in the corner under this piston and push the button and the machine does the rest, sending you to the next level. If you want to get down again, stand back in the corner on top of the piston, press the button and you'll be taken down to ground level. And that's all there is to it. So let's go ahead and build one for ourselves. We're going to start off with the walls of the elevator. I'll be choosing stone bricks for this. Begin by making 2 3-block wide rows, like so. Then add another 6 rows to them, so both walls become 7 blocks high. Once you've done that, 1 row from the top, make a second floor. In this corner, leave 1 block open for the elevator to shoot us up later on. The walls are complete and now it's time for implementing the pistons. Start with a hole on the left wall 3 blocks up from the ground and then make another hole above it on the same level as the second floor. In each hole, place in a face down piston. Over on the other side of the wall, place a block 2 blocks outwards from the pistons. Now place in a sticky piston facing the pistons in the wall. You can now get rid of the outside blocks behind the sticky pistons. Time for the bodywork of the redstone. I'll be using lime wool for the side of the wall with the pistons. Copy carefully as I place them in. That's the first side done, and now for the other side of the wall, this time using white wool. Again, copy exactly where I placed them in. Now for our final step, the redstone mechanism. Start with placing in these 2 buttons here. Place in a redstone comparator down here, making sure you faced it the same way I have. Next, place in the following redstone repeaters, ensuring you also face these in the same direction as I have. Click this first repeater here 3 times. Then click this one once. Then this repeater twice. Now follow where I lay in the redstone. Place 2 redstone torches here. You should now see both the sticky pistons active. Lastly, place down a face-up dropper, followed by a hopper on top. Hold down your crouch button to connect the hopper to the dropper, and inside the dropper, which is the bottom one, place in a single piece of redstone. Now all that's left to do is test to ensure your elevator is working as intended. Like most elevators, they can be a bit glitchy if you're experiencing some server latency. So if you're having a small lag problem, the elevator still shouldn't have too much trouble sending you up after a couple of tries. It's also worth mentioning this design is 100% stackable, as long as you build the exact same thing perfectly on top of the first design. And I can't stress it enough, everything will need to be exactly the same, and you'll soon find yourself able to make the elevator as high as you want. And now that the base design of your elevator is complete, it's up to you how you'd like to add on to its shape, so you can fit it into wherever you've based yours, and make it unique and built to your likings. Thanks very much to another talented team member of mine, KJip Gamer, for this nice little design. That brings us to the end of another tutorial. I hope everything went smoothly for you, and as always, I appreciate any support. Wish you all the best, and until the next video, goodbye!